Welcome into another video. I've been talked into doing a couple pack openings today. These are clearance items, 2008 Donruss Baseball, Fat Packs 30 cards per pack. There's the reduced sticker on the other side. Make sure that you get the reduced price. These were $4.49 on clearance plus tax. So we will open them up and see what we get. I haven't opened anything for a while in a different location. Set it at my desk. And let's see what we got here. Sano, Wade Boggs. Heavy hitters, Edwin, Kenley Jansen, Pomerantz, Chris Sale, and what do we got here? We got two that are upside down. Ooh, that's why, because it's a blue border. Parallel, and a Jake Arrieta numbered card. You see that? 156 out of 199. Another parallel. I don't know much about the parallels on these. I do know this is a nickname card of Altuve. Diamond Kings. Another nickname, the famous rated rookie cards, Diamond Kings, another rookie, another Diamond Kings, another rookie, and that, I don't know if they're supposed to be black and white or not, if that's a special variation or not. There's a Mickey Mantle. Rod Carew. I'm going to have to look these up. Like I said, I don't know anything about the parallels here. Or Aaron Judge, retro, Josh Donaldson, Josh Bell, Max Scherzer, Ian Happ, George Brett, retro, Corey Kluber. So we got two of those in this pack. Adam Wainwright, All-Star, Robinson Cano, All-Star, and Trey Turner. So we got a numbered card and a couple parallels, and we'll have to check out some of those other ones. So that's pack number one. Here's pack number two. And I never did show. I'll do it here in a minute after I get this open, hopefully. Not exactly sure about the odds on this stuff either, so I'll have to look that up. This is kind of a hasty break. Jake Lamb, John Lester, Reggie Jackson, Ozuna, Javi Baez, Puerto Rico's finest. Nice card there. Including Francisco Lindor, Charlie Blackmon, Trey Mancini, Hall of Famer Tom Seaver, and we got the famous, used to be called the famous San Diego Chicken, and that's not numbered, it's just a blue parallel. So we didn't get a second one here. Herrera, Moncada, Stanton, Benny Baseball, Will Myers, Brandon Woodruff, Joe Morgan, Hall of Famer, Freddie Freeman, nice all-star, Dustin Fowler, Eric Hosmer, Rizzo, Chris Bryant, Corey Seager, another Corey Seager, Josh Donaldson, Carlos Martinez, Jose Altuve, Severino, Seager, and a Benintendi. 2 packs down. See if we're fortunate enough to get an autograph card out of here. I'm not sure what those odds are. Maybe we can take a... Boy, that's small. If you can read that, you're a better person than I am. There's the pack. Okay. Joe Morgan. It's our second look at Hall of Famer there. Electric Battery Mates. It looks like Doc Gooden and Gary Carter. And that's who it is. Anthony Rendon, Jose Abreu, and once again with the Donruss Panini ones, you will not see the logos on the uniforms because they do not have the license. So if that's something that you like to see on your cards, this product probably isn't for you, but I always like to see the logos, but I'm kind of grown to the fact that they're not on it, so... Oh. It's not, what is that? It's a no back. I wonder, Anthony Rendon with a no back. We'll have to look that one up because I'm not really sure. I thought it was a signature or something, but maybe that's even better. Matt Carpenter, blue parallel. Set those down in case I drop them. Cody Bellinger, Aaron Judge, Ken Griffey Jr., the Kid, J.P. Crawford. Let's turn him back again. Reggie Jackson in his Oakland A's uniform, where he started. His career had a lot of success there. Robinson Cano, Adam Wainwright, Mr. Smile, Frankie Lindor, rated rookie, Marcus Lynn Betts, Mookie, Longoria, George Springer, Jordan Montgomery, Robinson Cano again, Sager, these old school throwback retros, Harmon Killebrew, Masher in his day, Paul Goldschmidt, Garrett Cole, and Matt Carpenter, all-star there. Okay. 2 more packs. I just actually purchased these today. I saw them a couple days before in the clearance rack. And I'm not exactly sure how much they normally sell for. But $4.49 is a clearance price. Star Power Juan Marichal, Hall of Famer. Michael Fulmer of the Tigers, Santana, Cole Hamels, Dandy Defenders. Okay. George Brett. And this one should be numbered, and it is Robinson Cano. Let's get the number on that one. 81 out of 199. Nice. I like the card stock. The Commerce Comet. Mickey Mantle. Joey Votto, Chris Bryant, Mike Trout. It's always good when you get a Mike Trout card. George Brett. Oh, do these have codes on them just like the Topps ones do? I don't honestly know. So I don't know if these are tougher to spot. If they have short prints or not. Albies. Shorea. Ryan Braun. There's your NL MVP. Ariando. Conforto. Another Mickey Mantle. I think that's about our third one we've gotten out of these packs. Anthony Rizzo. Correa. Adrian Beltre. Cody Bellinger. Another Mike Trout. Nice. Ozzie Smith. Hall of Fame shortstop. And we're down to our last pack. We're recording this for anybody else who might be interested, or if I have to go back and check something out. And here's our last pack. Chris Sale. Picture Perfect All-Stars. David Peralta. Christian Yelich. And here's our parallel. Matt Olson. Yeah. I've got a little bit of an audience there. Tuve. Ryan McMahon. Ryan Dozier. Evan Longoria. Corey Kluber. Chris Bryant. Another Mantle. Benintendi. Moncada. Gary Sanchez. Garner. Chipper. Another Hall of Famer there. George Springer. Syndergaard. Nolan Ryan. And Freddie Freeman. So these cards actually looked like they were in, well, maybe not. There's a ding. I was kind of worried what the condition would be, but there is a ding on that. So maybe the top card and the bottom card might have some dings on them. That one did. These look like they're okay, but that's always a issue with fat packs and stuff that's been sitting around for a while. So you kind of take your chance, but that's it. We've got 150 cards that we just went through, 5 packs, and that is it for this time. So thanks for joining us, and we'll come at you again later.